Hey, we're gonna box a HERRIAT Trading Card Binder. Let's take a look at it. So here's the thickness. There's links and descriptions in the bottom below of the Amazon link where I bought it and how much it was. Let's see. I think I paid like 14 or 15 or something. Let's see, the box is pretty big, so it's a 360 card holder. So let's see. We've got a box and a bag. And here it is. Looks like no logo. There's the thickness of it. There's a card or scale. So 9 cards. Let's see. The Ziploc smells like new bad plastic. Look at that. Some of it has been already plastered. Here's the inside. Here's how much it bends. Just straight. Like there's a bag for each side, not sure why. Seems like a waste of plastic. So yeah, let's take a look. There's the internal of the stitches. There's the other stitches. Ziplocs. Nice. Let's see how it fits. Here's a sleeve one. Here's a non-sleeve one. So it looks like side sleeves on this one too. Let's see. A little challenging to get in. The corners bite or hold. Here's a non sleeve one. Doesn't really fall out. Okay, that one doesn't fall out. Let's see if the other side falls out. Nope. Looks good on this side. Let's see the other side. Looks pretty good. That's how thick it is. So nope. Plushy, soft side over here, soft side over here. There's the stitches right here. Looks decent. Black. Zip it up. There's the handle for it. And no logos. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And there'll be a link in the description below if you want this kind of binder. Looks pretty good for a 360. I was thinking of a zipper one than the strap one, because I feel like the strap one would be too much pressure in one area and it'll tighten on these cards right here. Because if you do the 3-ring binder, it does crimple that area and damages those cards by 1, 2, 3 crimps. So yeah, there's that one. Thanks for watching. See you guys.